Hi, welcome to Adulting 101. My name is Kelsey, and this series covers the why, when, and how when it comes to cleaning your oft-neglected or complicated areas, surfaces, and appliances. Today, we're going to take care of the washer. I've let mine go just a little too long, so it really needs some help. So let's get started. Wait, I run my washer every time I do laundry. There's soap and everything in there. Doesn't that wash it too? Great question, Amy. The truth is, all of the dirt, lint, and oils on your clothes, and even the detergent itself, can coat the inside of your washer and make it much harder for it to get your clothes clean. I didn't know that. Neither did I. You know what else I didn't know? Your washer has a lint trap, just like your dryer, and it needs to be cleaned at least once a year along with the drain pump. The rest of the cleaning that we're going to go over today should be completed once a month. Unless you do a whole lot of laundry, then you should probably do it more often. Okay, that makes sense. But how do I wash my washer? I'm glad you asked. Let me show you.
First, remove the detergent drawer and any inserts, if possible. Soak in hot, soapy water. Next, pull the washer away from the wall and unplug it. While it's out, we're going to clean the floor underneath. Next, find the door for the drain pump and lint trap. If you have a newer top-loading washing machine, you may not have one of these. Open the door and drain using the hose, then take the filter out and wash it. Replace and close the door. Next, inspect the hoses for kinks, leaks, or damage. Plug the washer back in and move it back into place. Spray the inside of the washer with vinegar and wipe with a damp cloth. Add vinegar to the max fill line in the detergent drawer, then select the highest temperature, time, and soil level, or the tub clean setting. If you have a top-loading machine, pause it when the tub is full and add 2 more cups of vinegar. Then dip your cloth into the water and wipe down the inside and outside of your machine. After you do that, let it sit for 1 hour if possible. Mine will automatically drain if it sits too long. After the pause, resume the cycle until it is completed. Next, add 1 cup of baking soda and repeat the wash settings. If you have a front loader, add baking soda to the drum. If you have a top loader, add when the tub is full. When the cycle ends, wipe the inside down and leave the lid open if possible.
Other than following the schedule and the steps that we covered today, here are a few tips to help keep your washer healthy and efficient for longer. If you have an HE washer, only use HE detergent. It'll be labeled on the bottle whether it's compatible with HE washers or not. Here are a few examples. Use the correct setting. If it's a large load, use that setting. Small load, use that setting. If it's bedding, use that setting if you have it. Your washer's manual will teach you about all the different settings and when to use them. Keep the door open. If there's a light or it's inconvenient or maybe unsafe for some little ones, then just wipe everything down after every load. Make sure your washer is level and at least 4 to 5 inches away from the wall. This leaves room for your hoses so that you don't kink them and maybe damage them.
Do not use fabric softener.
Wait. I can't use fabric softener? No, fabric softener is not only bad for your washer, it's bad for your clothes. If you must use it, then every once in a while, do a vinegar rinse in your washer and put your clothes in there too. I promise, your clothes will feel plenty soft and your towels will actually start drying again. Oh, I was wondering why my towels weren't really working anymore. That'll do it. Lastly, do not mix vinegar and bleach together. They create chlorine gas, which is extremely toxic. If you smell a pungent smell or start to feel a little dizzy, get out of there immediately and breathe in some fresh air. Wow, that sounds dangerous. It sure is, but now you know what to do. How am I supposed to remember all of this? Well, you can watch this video again when you're ready to clean your washing machine, or you can go down into the description and download the handy guide I made for you. There'll be a guide in each video that I make in the Adulting 101 series. Be sure to collect all of those and make yourself a handy dandy little how to clean finder. That way you can reference them until you get it all down pat. Anyway, that's all for today. Now we know how to clean our washer and keep it working for a long time and let it keep our clothes nice and clean. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss next week's video, and here's the playlist for the Adulting 101 How to Clean Fill in the Blank series. Class dismissed. Bye!